Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and in this video I'll be looking at the HiTune X6 active noise cancelling wireless earbuds from UGREEN. Over the years, my go-to earbuds have been Apple's own AirPods. I had tried some alternatives, but not many carried the same level of quality and features as my AirPods Pro to truly give them up. UGREEN have kindly asked me to try out their HiTune X6 active noise cancelling Bluetooth earbuds. They feature 38 decibels of noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.1 with 50 milliseconds of low latency. They use 6 microphones between them for their active noise cancellation. It comes with a charging carry case that combined will offer up to 26 hours of operating time, and they'll all last 6 hours from a single charge. In the box you get the charging case with the earbuds partially powered inside. There's a USB-A to USB-C charging cable to charge the case and the earbuds inside, and there's a paper manual that gives you all the details on charging, pairing and operating the earbuds with your Bluetooth device. Looking at the charging case first, when comparing it to the Apple AirPods Pro, the case is a little bulkier with a space grey black colour scheme. On the front of the case there is a little battery level indicator which will glow red when its battery is low and turn white when it's fully charged, and also whilst charging. On the top of the case there is some UGREEN branding, and on the back you'll find the USB-C charging port and a pairing button to repair or solve any connection issues that may occur. Flipping up the lid on the charging case will reveal the 2 space grey coloured wireless Bluetooth earbuds inside. Sitting inside the Apple-like moulded compartments, you'll find each earbud that is attached magnetically into their own charging compartment. Attached to each earbud are some medium-sized ear tips, and on the inside cover of the packaging you'll find both small and large ear tip sizes, should you find medium sizes too large or too small. Getting a tight seal in your ear is crucial in getting the best noise cancellation audio performance out of these earbuds, so trying out the sizes is recommended to get the tightest seal in your ears. There's no Apple AirPod-like app to test the seal on these earbuds, so you'll just have to play around with each size and get the best fit for you whilst listening to some audio. Removing the earbuds from the case soon powers them on, and I could hear the built-in narrator voice before I could even put them in my ears. I don't think there's any sensing in these earbuds. Not hearing what was first said, I assumed I had to go through the initial pairing process with my iPhone. Pairing both earbuds is as simple as selecting its Bluetooth profile on the Discovered Devices section of my iPhone's Bluetooth settings screen and connecting to it. Once paired, the narrator will inform you that they have connected, and you can begin to listen and learn all the gestural commands required to control the playback of your audio source, alter volume, answer calls, enable noise cancellation, and invoke Siri or your Google Assistant from your smartphone. This is when things get a little awkward on the X6 earbuds. There are so many gestural controls and functions on these earbuds that I soon forget what they all were. So it soon became a few minutes of trial and error whilst trying to get the function I wanted, and often returning to the manual for a recap. So first you can tap on either side of the earbud once to play and pause the audio. Tapping twice on the left or right earbud will raise and lower the volume, and tapping 3 times will skip and rewind the music. Accepting calls and hanging up is also done with a single tap on either earbud, and this all worked on both smartphones, tablets, laptops that are connected over Bluetooth. All of these initial gestures are commonly found on most Bluetooth earbuds, with the exemption of volume on the Apple AirPods. However, with the introduction of both voice assistants and noise cancelling functions, there are a few more gestures to learn. Long pressing either earbud for 1 second will activate and deactivate noise cancellation, whilst long pressing for 2 seconds will activate the voice assistant of the device you're connected to. And finally, to make it even more complex, you can tap 4 times on either earbud to toggle between low latency gaming and the standard music modes. In practice, I found all of these functions can be a little hit and miss. Some gestures were less intuitive for me to use. Personally, I think a long press would have been my preference to increase and decrease the volume, and double tapping them to skip and rewind. The location of where you press is important too. Pressing once to play and pause needs to happen directly in the middle of the earbud casing. Any taps above or below are easily ignored and can add some frustration when it doesn't do what you want it to do on the first attempt. Also, I'm not a fan of adding more pressure to my ears through the earbud when attempting these controls. Both taps and long presses can sometimes add unnecessary and uncomfortable pressure on my ears. Quite often when invoking Siri on my iPhone via the earbuds, it would commonly trigger the noise cancellation function first before it could trigger Siri and overall it would take longer than the 2 seconds that was mentioned in the manual. So I soon gave up on triggering the assistant via the earbuds and ended up using Hey Siri or my iPhone to invoke the assistant instead. So with all the controls and functions out of the way, how does it sound? Well, on my first listen, I was pleasantly surprised with the UGREEN X6 earbuds. They have a similar sound to the AirPods Pro. However, its bass is much deeper and it sounds more boomier than Apple's flagship AirPods. Because of this, in many cases, the bass can lack detail. But if you're into your deep and boomy bass, then these earbuds might be a good buy for you. Between both earbuds, I found the mids sounded just about equal. And I found the high-end treble just had that little extra detail on the Apple AirPods Pro. I did get at times an audio glitch that I can only describe as the stereo input becoming amplified and equalising for a split second. I wasn't sure if this was the content I was watching, which at the time was YouTube on Android, or interference with the Bluetooth signal, or just generally the active noise cancellation falling over on itself, but it was fairly regular at times. As noise cancellation goes, for me, I found that my Apple AirPods Pro has slightly better noise cancellation than these X6 earbuds. I filled my room with fake cafe sounds, street noises, and in-flight engine idle noises. I tested out both of their noise cancellation functions. Although the UGREEN X6 earbuds did a great job for low noise scenarios, it just wasn't as cancelling as Apple's were for very loud noise scenarios. Like the AirPods, its noise was mostly dampened enough to have any audio playback take the center stage. There was a slight background hiss during the cancellation process on the X6 earbuds, but it is very quiet and it's all drowned out once the audio is played back through the earbuds. Noise cancellation can be active on a single earbud without having to go through any menus like on the Apple AirPods Pro. And if you're playing back any video or gaming with these earbuds, switching them to gaming mode is highly recommended to get the best lag-free sync between audio and the video you're watching on screen. I found these earbuds to be just as comfortable as my AirPods Pro. They didn't fall out of my ears when smiling or shaking my head to mimic use with fitness. I think their space grey colour, size and shape look decent, and they don't stick out or stand out too much when they're in my ears. When it comes to call and microphone quality, I recorded 2 clips, one from the Apple AirPods Pro and one from the UGREEN X6 earbuds. So let's hear them back to back. Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com. Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and this is an audio test using the Apple AirPods Pro. And this is the audio test from the UGREEN X6 earbuds. Let me know in the comments which earbud you prefer. I thought the microphone quality was okay. I don't rate Apple's AirPods as stellar either, but I thought the AirPods Pro sounded a little less processed and sounded a little less tinny as the audio captured on the X6 earbuds. Overall though, I think the X6 earbuds do a sufficient job for calling and reflect its overall price range. So let's touch on the price. The HiTune X6 earbuds from UGREEN retail for $39.39 or $47.99 on Amazon using our limited time promo code. And you can check out the links and the promo code below to find out more and to buy yourself a pair. When you factor in this competitive price, these earbuds are a very decent set of active noise cancelling earbuds that can almost reach and tug on the coattails of Apple's flagship earbuds, which retail for a staggering $200 more. So if you're on a budget and looking for a decent set of active noise cancelling earbuds and you don't mind a little boomier bass, then I would definitely give these UGREEN X6 earbuds a listen. Alright, thanks for watching and I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, hit that like button down below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the HiTune X6 active noise cancelling wireless earbuds from UGREEN. You can catch all my other tech reviews up in the top left playlist window. Hit the subscribe button down below to catch all my future content and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.